Hello and welcome back to another video here on the drivenDiecast channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at Justin Haley's 2020 All-Star car, the FOE sponsored 77 for Spire Motorsports. Now this is an interesting car because it really wasn't supposed to be made, or at least it felt that way because it did DNP. And if you're not familiar with diecast terminology, DNP just means did not produce. Actually it shipped to me, and on the slip, on the packing slip, it actually says DNP Justin Haley 2020 FOE All-Star car. Like, it's hilarious because this car wasn't supposed to be made. I am a big Justin Haley fan, as if you've seen my previous videos, you know I have all of the cars that have ever been produced for him, as well as having a custom FOE truck made. So I'm a big Justin Haley fan. I had this one pre-ordered with the autograph the moment it went up, and it got canceled. And I'm like, well, that sucks, but what can you do about it? And then like 6 months later, which it seems like everything with Justin Haley happens 6 months after it happens, which is strange. But 6 months later, he posts a story on Instagram, and it shows him signing windshields, the Lionel windshields here. And I can't figure out what it's for because I'm just like, he has no cars scheduled to come out. And I'm just like, I'm looking on Plan B, and I'm looking on Lionel, and I'm just not finding any cars for him. I'm like, what is he signing these windshields for? And I post a story on my Instagram, and I say, hey, what is going on here? Oh, by the way, you should follow my Instagram, which you can find down in the link below, where you can follow and you can actually see photos of all my cars before they end up as videos here on the YouTube channel. So link in the description, make sure to go do that. But anyways, I post a story on my Instagram and say, hey, does anybody know what's going on here? And him signing the windshields. I get a couple of DMs that link over to some Facebook messages from, I don't remember who, but someone was saying that actually the car was being made. I don't know which versions of the car made. I know the autograph got made. I don't know if the normal one got made. I have to assume it did, but at the very least, I know 180 of these autographed cars got made, which I'm happy to have. The only Justin Haley car that I don't have autographed is the leaf filter one, the Talladega race one, because they didn't offer it in a autographed version. So I will have to, at some point in my life, get that autographed by him. But I am happy to have this one autographed. It is a very nice scheme. It's very simplistic. We just obviously have the black hood. FOE is obviously known for the yellow kind of accents, but they went for more of like an American kind of like red, white, and blue plus some black scheme here. So the front end is pretty basic. Not too much going on here. We just got mainly black with some blue accents kind of around the mid part of the front with the 77. I do really like the 77 font though. I'm a big fan of the font that they use on this car here. The side of the car, I think, is significantly better than the front. There's a lot more going on. We obviously have the FOE 3 stripes, just in a different location. They're right here on the side, obviously. Normally they like go across the hood up here and then down, but they put them on the side to kind of fit the scheme a little bit better. And then obviously we have the 3 stripes in the back as well. So you'll notice that in all the FOE schemes, they always do something with 3 stripes. I don't know why they have an affinity for the 3 stripes, but they're like Adidas, basically. They're just like 3 stripes, and we'll leave it at that. But we obviously have the blue, we have the white, we have the red. It's like the black is the base color, and then the American flag is kind of wrapped around the car in a way. I really like the way they did the stars along the red with the white, and having them bleed into the white so they don't look like they're sitting on top of it. They mesh really well with the car itself. It's just a really nice car. I don't know what else to say about it. I like it. There's nothing that is wow or stand out about it. It's just a really solid looking scheme, and I'm very happy to have it in that regard. And then I actually haven't looked at the back of this car, and I didn't look at photos of the back of it, so I'm curious to see what the back looks like because I don't recall. And then it's just that. Yeah, that's what I expected. Backs of cars, never. They disappoint a lot. The backs don't ever look nice. So, that we got that. And then we have FOE up there, the one that they use on the other 77 on the Daytona Race 1 car as well. So not much going on there. And my dent on this car right there, if you could see that, that is 16. So nothing significant with that number at all, unfortunately. But yeah, that is everything that I had to say on this Justin Haley car. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more. The next video we have Chase Elliott's Give a Hoot car. You can find photos of all the cars that I upload videos on here as really nice photos on Instagram as well from this softbox that I use to record the videos as well. So you get really high quality shots, and they actually get uploaded prior to being uploaded here. And I do buy a lot of cars, so you will see a lot of different cars there. So make sure to do that, and then we'll do Chase Elliott's Give a Hoot car in the next video. So I'll see you there.